Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. If you have a Chinese brand hair trimmer, its battery does not work for a long time, how we can repair it? It's very easy to replace the batteries. Remove the trimmer head, separate it, then you can lift this switch cover from here, remove it, and now you have to remove this screw. So back shell is here, back cover is here, just press it. This machine is outside. Here we have battery pack. We will lift this top cover, then we will lift up this battery pack here, and now we can remove the batteries from this pack, and we can see it is using just only 600 milliampere hour battery, 1.2 volt. It is using nickel cadmium, but we will use NIMH 1.2 volt 2000 milliAh. We can say it is 2 ampere battery. So this battery is more powerful, 2000 milliampere hour. We can say 2 ampere hour battery. Now we have to replace it. To remove the battery, we have to check the polarity: positive, negative, negative, positive. This end positive, this end is negative, and this end is positive. This end is negative, this end is positive. And this point for the both sides, this is common, so both batteries are in series. Now we removed these batteries. We have to make these batteries in series. How we will make series? One end negative, one end positive, we will make a jumper and we will connect to the PCB, and the other two ends we will connect to the PCB positive and negative. First of all, make a good tinning on the terminal. Now I will connect the wire. Same we will do with the negative side. If you have spot welding, you can use spot welding, but if you don't have facility for the spot welding, you can use this soldering iron. That's also good. After soldering, we have these two cells here, positive, and the second battery negative end. We have to combine them in this shape. Now this positive will come here, so we will make soldering here. Now we connected one battery, and the second battery negative end will in forward position here, because this positive is here, positive of this battery is here, negative is here. I am using some long wire. If we are using a tight wire, very close wires, that can cause to easily damage. But this wire, some long wire, will give a free space if there is some movement in the battery, so it will not damage the wires. It will not make a disconnection. Now we can check the voltage. Positive side is here, negative side is here, so we are taking 2.5 volts because the battery is 1.2 volt, so two batteries 1.25 volts. That's good. Now we can check the charging. It is 2.51. I will just connect the charger now. 2152. Taking away from the charger, 2.51. Connecting to the charger, it becomes 2.522. That means the charger is working. I turned off the motor and now voltage are increasing. 2.548, 2.550, 551. So it is charging now. That's good. Now we will pack it up just only inspect the LEDs and the circuit. We check the charging. Insert the machine from this side here, place it here, then take the switch cover, this arrow mark in the front side, lock it here properly, first position, second position. We will place it here, lock it, first position, second position, and now we will tighten it here. Friends, I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.